giliw, penas ng silanganan, alap ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay.
Mabuhay mga kababayan, ako po'y bumabati po sa inyo ng isang magandang araw. Ako po ay very excited na i-share sa inyo ang isang opportunity. Ang pangalan po ng company is Fivelinks. But before anything else, let me fully introduce myself. My name is EJ Pardo. Laki po sa Tramo, Pasay. Ang company po nito, they totally changed and revolutionized my life. Bakit po ito sinabi? Because dati po ako nagtatrabaho bilang sushi chef. When I was working as a sushi chef, I really worked so hard because I worked minimum of 14 hours to 20 hours a day, which means overwork, underpay. Yung po, alam niyo na po yung mga ugali ng Pilipino, how we work so hard. May isa pong customer na notice niya po yung hard work ko, and he gave me a phrase, and that phrase became philosophy of my life, and I would love to share that to you. Sabi niya sa akin, EJ, you're always working so hard. Always remember this, working for somebody, just earning a living, but working for yourself, that's the time you're making a fortune. Tinandaan ko po itong phrase na to at naging philosophy po ng buhay ko. Ngayon, laki po ako sa Tramo, Pasay. Laking hirap po ako. Sa squatter area po yan, bad area sa Pilipinas. Nung nagpaalam po sa pamilya ko na pupunta po ako sa Amerika para magtrabaho, ay pa nga po nila ako payagan at the beginning. Kasi nga po, ako lang po, pumunta po ako sa Amerika, totally stranger by myself. And you know for the fact, coming in strange country by yourself, hindi po ganun kadali. Kaya lang po pumayag ang pamilya ko, may sinabi lang po ako sa kanilang phrase. Ang sinabi ko po sa kanila, kung pinanganak tayo mahirap, hindi natin kasalanan yon. Pag namatay tayo mahirap, yun ang kasalanan natin. Sinabi ko po sa sarili ko, bago lisanin ng bansang Pilipinas, sinabi ko at pinangako ko po sa sarili ko, I'm willing to sacrifice until I die so that our next generation will have a better life. Minsan nga po, hindi na po para sa atin. Tinitignan ko na lang po yung susunod na saling lahi natin. Kasi tinignan ko lang naman po yung cycle ng buhay namin. Lolo ko, mahirap. Magulang ko, mas mahirap. Kung hindi ko puputulin ang sumpa ng kahirapan, ano kaya mangyayari sa susunod na generation? Somebody from the family must say stop. And I'm glad na nakita ko po ang oportunidad na Fivelinks. Alright? Kung nagawa ko po, kahit sino pwedeng gawin ito. Bakit ko po ito nasabi? Nagsimula po sa Fivelinks, I have all possible reasons for people not to do this. Number 1, I have only 3 friends. Number 2, I hardly speak English. Number 3, I'm broke. So in short, kung kayo nakikinig sa information na ito, all possible reason na pwede nyo sabihin na eliminate na po ito. Alright? Ngayon, pag-usapan po natin ang company na Fivelinks. Ang company pong Fivelinks ay nagsimula po sa Rochester, New York. Na-establish po siya ng year 2001. And the reason kaya po siya tinawag na Fivelinks dahil po sa mga prinsipyo, vision, integrity, opportunity, freedom, and success. Ngayon, ang tatlong founder po ng company, si Craig Jurback, Jeb Tyler, and Jason Gak, pinagsama-sama po nila experience kaya umabot po ito ng 60+. Ang company po natin ay merong na-document po ng 505,000 straight years in a row. Ngayon, ang sukat po ng property o ng lupain po ng company natin Fivelinks ay 50,000 square foot headquarters. At ang motto po ng company, Representative Campers. Ang napakaganda pong motto nito dahil naniniwala po ang company kapag tayo masaya, we gonna take good care of our customer. Plan B, why Fivelinks? Freedom, be your own boss, debt-free, children's college fund, charity, and more money. Okay, ganito lang naman po yan para mas maintindihan po natin bakit po natin inatalog na Plan B or why Fivelinks. Parang ganito lang po. Kung tatanungin ko po kayo ngayon, sino po ba gustong yumaman dito? Sino gusto pang maging successful? Sino po gustong umasenso? I believe everybody gonna say yes. Who don't like to become successful? Who do like to become wealthy? Who do like to become millionaire? And everybody like to have that in our life. But that's my first question. But the second question is the most important. Why you like to become millionaire? Why you like to become wealthy? And why you like to become successful? Karamihan po ng tao, hindi po nila ito masagot. Yun po ang dahilan. Kaya hindi sila successful, millionaire, at wealthy. Because if you know your why, how does it matter and how will follow? Kailangan maintindihan natin bakit ang isang tao umaasenso at yumayaman. Iba-iba po ang industriya bakit ang tao umaasenso at yumayaman. Isa-isahin po natin to. Sa Pilipinas, alam naman natin yung basketball is isang industriya na maraming pinapa-asensong tao. May movie industry din po. It's a 11 billion industry. Okay? Music industry, it's 17 billion. Pero kung pagsasama-samahin niyo po yan, hindi pa rin po matatalo ang direct sales industry. Why? Because ang direct sales industry worldwide is 178 billion industry. Alright? That's why I have high respect sa industriya po ng direct selling. Bakit po? Ito lang ang tanging industriya na average people tinutulungan paano umasenso. Alright? Ngayon, the opportunity, another reason bakit ang isang tao umaasenso. Timing and positioning. Timing and positioning are the keys to success. Balikan po natin itong wealth trends. From 1980s, from 2010, 1980s, PC industry, mid-1980s, long-distance industry, okay? Cell phone, internet, VoIP, video apps. Kung titignan po natin itong wealth trend na to, marami po itong pinaasenso at ginawang milyonaryo. But we cannot do nothing on the past, but we can do something on present and the future. What is now? Technology, mobile marketing, healthcare, and wellness. Itong sa slide naman ito, yung building your business, kung makikita mo sa left side, pinapakita lang dito ang traditional na corporate America o tinatawag natin Fortune 500 company. Pero sa kabilang side, sa right side naman, pinapakita dito paano ka magbibuild ng isang malaking organization. Ang tawag dito, 5 links, building your business. Ang tawag ka naman dito, leveraging your time or maximizing your income. Kasi kahit gaano ka katalino, kahit gaano ka kasipag, pag umaasa ka sa dalawang kamay mo, something happened to you, your income will stop. That's why I call it wealth principle. Ngayon, ang company po, ang opportunity, products and services, ang 5 links, Hi-Fi Boost and Hi-Fi Edge, to PowerPlay, global service, and we have our own network called Global Links. Now, pag-usapan natin ang Boost. Ang Boost po, it helps control the hunger and energy boost, and Hi-Fi Edge improves the endurance of healthy aging. Ang Niagen, okay, the Chromadex has been announced the largest deal in its history, a $62 million agreement with the network marketing company 5 Links that covers a Niagen and pure energy in ingredients. Niagen, ang Niagen po may anti-aging siya, may weight management, endurance, cognitive function, cardiovascular health, energy levels, performance, protection against neurological disease. So isa po itong, ang tawag po namin dito is miracle molecule. Exciting po itong ang Niagen po natin. Ang isa pa pong products na meron po tayo, ang pangalan po nito, PowerPlay. Ang maganda po sa PowerPlay is not just an ordinary, they can charge our cell phone or tablet, but it's also a quality speaker. Alright? Now, ang susunod naman po, yung product services natin, meron po tayong GS. What is GS? Global Service. Ang Global Service po is allowing ourselves to market worldwide. Ang mga global services po, ang mga features po nito, okay, personal website, business reporting, advanced training and support, advanced to product and service, enroll and support representatives. Even we're here in the Philippines, we can sponsor, we can have customers in USA and Canada. And that's the beauty of these global services. The name of the company is 5 Links, right? We have our own network called Global Links. Ito po, VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol, or simply VoIP. Alright? Ang Global Links po is a premium VoIP provider. Okay? Features and benefits po nito, unlimited calling, local and long distance call sa USA. So we can call sa US, any part of USA, Canada, Puerto Rico, and US Virgin Island. Alright? Alam niyo naman Pilipino, any part of the world may Pilipino. It's giving us an opportunity to connect with loved ones sa any part ng 75 countries. May mga listahan po tayo ano yung mga country na pwede natin matawagan in 75 countries. Alright? Ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang compensation. Leverage your time, residual income. Pag naintindihan po natin ang word na leverage your time and residual income, you're never gonna work for somebody anymore. Kasi nung naintindihan ko po itong word na residual income, most especially the word residual income, I declare war in brokenness. Leverage time, paparamihin natin ang sarili natin sa pamagitan ng ibang tao. Ang residual income, You work once, but you will get paid for the rest of your life. Because natatandaan ko, nung ako po empleyado, ang alam ko lang po is linear income. What is linear income? You work, you get paid. No work, no pay. Residual income, you work once and you will get paid for the rest of your life, like royalty income. Ang position na executive trainer, magiging profitable po tayo kagad in 30 days. Paano? Ikaw, mag-create ka ng 15 customer points, i-introduce mo yung business sa 3 kaibigan mo na gusto mong tulungan, kamag-anak mo na gusto mong tulungan, kapitbahay mo na gusto mong tulungan, o yung mga taong naghahanap ng opportunity. Ngayon, and teach them to do the same thing. 15 customer points. Within your first 30 days, the company will give you one-time bonus of 17,500. Meron pa tayong another bonus kung magiging executive director po tayo within 60 days. Paano ba maging executive director? 15 customer points. Yung sa 3 kaibigan mo, kamag-anak mo, kaibigan mo, kapitbahay mo, na tinulungan mo rin sila maging executive trainer within the 60 days or within their 30 days, may additional bonus ka ng 15,000. That's why the total is 32,500 within your first 60 days. All right? Now we apply the law of leveraging, law of multiplication. Because everybody have 24 hours, whether rich or poor, everybody have 24 hours. Kung mapapansin nyo, bakit ang mayaman, lalong yung mayaman, ba't ang mahirap, lalong humihirap? Obserbahan nyo lang po. Ito, this is my personal observation. Kasi napansin ko, yung mga successful na tao, they was always excellent student, coachable, and open mind. Ang problema sa mga taong broke, they know everything. That's why they always broke. Alright? Now, tingnan niyo po ito sa slide na team totals, 20 customers, and average commission. Lagyan po natin siya ng number. Ibig sabihin, team total, 20. Kung titignan niyo sa left side na slide, maybe in between second and third month, you and the team. That's why team total 20. Yung 20 customers, which means each person mag-create siya ng 20 customer points. Ang tawag po natin 20 customer points. Kasi kada products and services, may mga corresponding points. Alright? Average commission. Kasi pwede po tayong kumita dito ng 10 pesos, even up to 100, 200 pesos. But I would like to be conservative on number. Lagay natin yung 20 pesos. Isa po sa mga pinakamababang average commission. Kasi depende po yan sa position na makukuha natin. That's why we need to earn our position as soon as possible para mas maganda po yung average commission natin. Ngayon, kung i-multiply po natin itong tatlong ito, 20 times 20 times 20, that's 8,000 every month. Residual. Alright? Even we don't work next month, the beauty of this, there's another 8,000. Somehow, 8,000 can help. Pwedeng pang grocery, pambayad sa mga bills, somehow, makakatulong. Alright? Paano kung ang team natin maging 200? Meron bang 200 people dito sa Pilipinas? I believe. Mas marami pa dito. Pero I would like to be conservative on number. 200, multiply mo sa 20 customers. Okay, same thing with the average commission. Now, your residual income can be 80,000 pesos every month. Ito, malaking pera na po ito. Marami na po ito magagawa. Ngayon, ang tanong ko, meron bang 2,000 people sa Pilipinas? I told you I'll be conservative on number. So multiply by 20 customers, 20 pesos average commission. Now your residual income is 800,000 pesos. Dito po, maraming buhay na po ang pwedeng mabago rito. That's why we're so excited sharing this opportunity to everybody. But the question is this, how much do you want to earn? It's not gonna happen in 1 week. It's not gonna happen in 1 month. It takes time to build a residual income. It takes time to build what? An empire. Now, pag-usapan natin yung mga compensation dito sa 5 links. Kapag naging senior vice president ka, ang mga benefits, number 1, car payment up to 22,000 per month. Alright? Ang kailangan lang dito, kulay black siya and any SUV. Alright? And annual vacation. Ngayon, ang susunod na position is a Platinum Senior Vice President. Ang benefits naman po kapag naging Platinum Senior Vice President, we have a lifestyle bonus of 85,000 per month. Alright? Platinum bonus pool, world vacation, and recognition in USA convention event. Ito pong sinabi ko itong business ownership, hindi po ito sign-up fee. because I don't want you to sign up. Yan po isang dahilan bakit marami nagiging failure sa industriya ng direct selling. Kasi ang mindset nila, iniisip nila, nag-sign up lang po sila. Kaya yun po yung dahilan, I don't want you to sign up. Ang maganda lang po dito, ang tawag po natin dito sa concept na to, it's a business ownership. Alright? Part po siya tayo ng direct selling industry. Yes, we are. But with similar concepts of franchising. If a franchise po natin ng business, small capital, but this time giving us a chance to earn a limited income. Ito po ang price sa Amerika sa Canada. Ngayon, ang tanong, sa Pilipinas, magkano po ang business ownership? Ang business ownership po dito sa Pilipinas ay 4,900 pesos only. Okay? With all Five Links products and services, personal website, feature services, customer acquisition bonuses, open line bonuses, and quick start bonus of 17,500. Ngayon, business ownership. May training and support po tayo. We have a local, regional, and international training events. May personal website tayo. Magkakaroon tayo ng university rin, which means we can learn the business in a comfort of our own home while still wearing pajama. And that's the beauty of a home-based business. And we have a business supporting. Ito pong application form na to. Kung nakikita nyo po yung mga yellow shaded, that's where you're gonna fill up your information. Alright? So, kung sino man po yung nag-invite po sa inyo at sinare po itong video na to, balikan nyo lang po sila at sabihin nyo pong nakita nyo po yung opportunity. But always remember, every time we share this opportunity, there's always three types of people. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Number 1 person say, the business is good but not for me. Okay? This opportunity is not for everybody. Kung kayo po yung number 1, salamat po at binigyan po nyo kami ng panahon, panoorin po itong video na to. Number 2, the business makes sense pero may mga tanong ako. Okay, ang gagawin nyo lang po, kung sino po yung nag-introduce ng negosyong ito sa inyo, balikan nyo lang po sila at kung ano po yung tanong nyo, kami, 10 ng team natin, maaaring masagot po namin ang inyong mga tanong and gagawin nyo po yung business. But always remember this, marami po magnanakaw ng pangarap. Kayo po ang nakakita ng opportunity, gawin lang po natin. And last but not the least, yung pangatlong tao, sabihin niya, nakita ko po yung opportunity and I'd like to be part of the team, which means you're the person we're looking for. Kahit ano po yung decision nyo, good luck po. But always remember this, everybody deserves to live in abundance, not in lack. Again, my name is EJ Pardo. Yes, I'm a Platinum Senior Vice President and see you all in the beaches of the world. Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat.